Ever heard of the saying, the world is your oyster? In this episode, I will talk about global expansion strategies and in particular the 7 strategies which help me expand into multiple countries with several of my businesses. Intro. What's up everybody? Welcome to my channel. I'm Alexej and I help founders scale. Having grown up in several different countries, I saw many successful US businesses expand internationally really well, but also many copycats in local markets doing well if US businesses were too slow to expand internationally. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I drop an episode once a week with insights from companies we work with. Venture-backed, private equity-owned or bootstrap businesses all around the world. In this episode, I'm going to share with you the 7 international expansion strategies which helped me launch my marketplace in 9 different countries, launch the agency in 3 different countries, and launch our e-commerce brand in 4 countries so far, with another 4 countries planned for the next 12 months. If you're excited to dive into the first strategy, go ahead and press that like button for the YouTube algorithm. So, 7 key strategies for successful global expansion. On position number 1, understanding legal requirements in the country you're launching in. Thorough market research and understanding local legal and regulatory requirements are foundational before any expansion effort. This involves not only analyzing market demand, but also understanding the legal landscape, including data protection laws, business operation regulations, and compliance requirements. A real-world example is Uber's entry into various markets, showcasing the need for adaptability to local regulations and market conditions. In some countries, Uber had to adjust its business model and services to comply with local transportation laws and regulations. Businesses must conduct comprehensive market research and legal due diligence to tailor strategies to each market. This might involve hiring local experts or consultants with legal advisors familiar with the target market's regulatory environment. On position 2, localized marketing and content strategy. Tailoring marketing efforts and content to fit the cultural and linguistic nuances of each target market is crucial. This strategy goes beyond translation. It involves understanding and integrating into local culture using regional and specific references and adapting marketing channels to local preferences. A real-world example is McDonald's adaptation of its menu to cater to local tastes across different countries, such as offering the McSpicy Paneer in India and the Teriyaki Burger in Japan. That showcases the importance of localized marketing and product strategy. Now, in terms of application, develop a localized content marketing strategy that resonates with the local audience's preferences and cultural nuances. This might involve creating regional and specific content using local influencers, social media strategies to fit local platforms and trends. As Jeff Bezos said, your brand is what other people say about it when you're not in the room. On position number 3, flexible and localized pricing models. Adapting pricing strategies to local economic conditions and consumer expectations is essential for global market success. This involves considering factors like local purchasing power, competitive pricing, and regional economic conditions to set appropriate price points. A real-world example is IKEA's strategy of adjusting product prices and designs to match local purchasing power and living spaces in different countries, such as smaller furniture for compact living spaces, for example in Japan. An application is to implement dynamic pricing models that reflect local market research and competitive analysis. This could involve tiered pricing structures, promotional offers, and considering local taxation and pricing strategies. Now, on number 4, strategic partnerships for market entry. Using partnerships and alliances to enter new markets can offer businesses local expertise and established networks, reducing the risk and cost of market entry. This strategy involves identifying potential partners with aligned goals, values, and market knowledge. A real-world example is Starbucks' entry into the Chinese market through a strategic partnership with Alibaba to integrate their services with the Alipay payment system and Almi delivery platform, enhancing their market penetration and customer experiences in China straight away. The unique insight here is that partnerships can mitigate entry risks and provide invaluable local market insights, accelerating the path to market acceptance and success. Now, if you learned something from that video already, and if you're still watching this, and chances you are, which is amazing, please leave a yes in the comment section below. Now, position number 5, investing in customer support and experience. Providing excellent customer support and a seamless user experience tailored to each market is crucial. This involves not only offering multilingual support, but also understanding and addressing the cultural nuances of customer service expectations in different regions. A real-world example is Zoho's multilingual customer support strategy. Offering 24/7 service in multiple languages supports its global user base, showcasing the importance of accessible and culturally sensitive customer support. Developing a customer support framework that addresses the linguistic and cultural diversity of your international markets is crucial. This could involve training support systems on cultural sensitivity, implementing localized self-service resources, and using customer feedback to continuously improve the support experience. Now, on position number 6, we have digital transformation and innovation. Embrace digital transformation and continuous innovation to stay ahead in international markets. This strategy involves leveraging cutting-edge technology and digital platforms to enhance your product offerings, streamline operations, and improve customer experiences. It's about constantly seeking ways to innovate, whether it's through product development, adopting new technologies, or digital marketing strategies to meet the evolving needs of global customers. Real-world example is Netflix's continuous innovation in streaming technology and content recommendation algorithms that allowed them to stay ahead of competitors and maintain its appeal across diverse global markets. In terms of application, businesses should invest in research and development to innovate their products and services continuously. Utilizing data analytics, AI, and machine learning can provide insights into customer behavior and preferences, leading to better decision-making and personalized customer experiences. Innovation distinguishes between a leader and a follower. Quote from Steve Jobs. A unique insight here is that digital transformation isn't just about adapting to new technologies. It's a strategic approach to rethinking how technology can create value and competitive advantage in a global context. Now, before I cover my last pick, please hit that like button. On position number 7, sustainability and social responsibility. Integrating sustainability and social responsibility into your business model can be a powerful strategy for global expansion. Today's consumers are increasingly looking to support brands that not only offer high-quality products and services, but also contribute positively to society and the environment. This strategy involves implementing sustainable practices, ethical sourcing, and contributing to social causes which can enhance brand reputation and loyalty among global consumers. A great example is Patagonia's commitment to environmental sustainability and ethical practices, which garnered a loyal customer base worldwide, demonstrating how a brand's values can resonate across different cultures and markets. In terms of application, companies should assess their environmental impact, supply chain practices, and community engagement to identify areas of improvement. Implementing sustainable practices such as reducing waste, using renewable energy, and supporting local communities can attract global customers who value ethical and responsible business practices. The global market offers endless opportunities for businesses to make their mark. Success hinges on how well your brand resonates, adapts, and integrates with diverse cultures, becoming a part of local communities. Global expansion is more than crossing borders. It's about deep understanding and connection, offering a world of opportunities for growth. So let's recap the 7 global expansion strategies one more time. On position 1, understanding legal requirements in the country you're launching in. Localized marketing and content strategy. Flexible and localized pricing models. Strategic partnership for market entry. Investing in customer support. Digital transformation innovation. And sustainability and social responsibility. Feeling excited now and eager to start expanding internationally? Go to alexejpikovsky.com and leave your email there so I can share my weekly newsletter with you. As an investor, I sat on boards and looked at more than 500 businesses, many of them which expanded internationally. But it's only after becoming a founder myself and launching in multiple countries that I really understood which strategies work best. I drop an episode like this with strategies and concepts for your business once a week. Please hit that subscribe button and that bell icon so you'll get notified every single time I release an episode. If you have a team member, if you're part of a Slack group, Telegram, WhatsApp group with other founders that could get value from this video, please share this with them. I want to help as many founders as possible scale their business. Thank you for joining me on this journey. I'm Alexej and I will see you in the next episode.